Good morning everyone. Today my project is smart door locking system using IOT. Here it is this RFID reader. Here it is the servo motor, and it is the microcontroller. It is the PSB, and here is the buzzer which sounds, and here is the cable which directly connect to the wire. And the overview is this setup represents a smart door locking system where access is controlled electronically using a microcontroller and sensors. The system can lock and unlock a door automatically based on the input. Main components are power supply module, that means this one, microcontroller and sensors. This is a sensor which reads the input, and the servo motor, and these are the wires, and these three are the RFID readers which are used to RFID cards which are used to open the door. Here it is the RFID card. To scan this, when we scan this, the door will be opened. Here it is the invalid card, so the door will not be opened. Here it is the valid RFID card, so the door will be opened and closed within few seconds, and this will be operated in the mobile app also. And here is the notification will be So it is our project, smart door locking system using IoT.